All right. I'm not going to eat this muffin. I had like 1,000 muffins and I grabbed one. But so it's quite a walk. Alright, so today I got to talk to Mr. Ed. Just said hello to Cayman for like just a second as I was walking in. Saw Emily and Casey. Talked to Bruce. Saw a couple other YouTube guys that I follow. Can't remember their names right offhand. Who else did I see? That's probably it. I saw a couple. I see Randy Oliver. He's at the hotel that I'm at. But, saw a couple of the guys that worked with him on his research. Guy that invented the shaker for his research projects. He's doing mic counts, shaking the bees in the cup or the alcohol wash or whatever they're using. And his wife. I've seen them on videos. I think one of them actually is the one that's recording the videos. Let's see where my truck is. Yeah, there it goes. Anyway, I ordered 4 of those boxes that I keep talking about. They're shipping them to the house, which is great. I don't want to carry them all the way out here. Same reason I don't want to carry the other things that I bought. The big equipment items. I did buy a couple of the attachments for the pumps and for tubes. And I may buy the digital refractometer. I don't know, we'll see. I got a few more days. I got to buy some stuff for the family. Time's about to go up on this video.